because I don't find it fun, but because there's just like other things to do now.
That's so true.
Yeah.
That's why I feel like we did so much, or just generally people did so much like project cooking, you know, during quarantine, because it's hard to find time to do that.
Yeah.
What else? Oh yeah, but for the Japanese cake, or for the cake this weekend, I'm gonna make like Japanese style. So I think it's called genoise type of cake. That's when you like whip up the egg yolks and the egg whites, and that's the main leavening agent. And that's why like a lot of Japanese cakes are so like light and fluffy, because like everything is whipped. And you add in baking powder, I think. And then we bought heavy cream and then some cream cheese, because I usually make a whipped cream. I love baking, y'all. This is, yeah.
I don't think I've ever baked a cake before.
Wow, really? Oh man, I'm excited. I was thinking, yeah, I was trying to think about like how we're gonna cut it, what size, but yeah. Whipped cream, add a little bit of cream cheese so it's like stabilized a little bit. It's not too like thin.
Yeah.
So it's so good. Ah, I'm excited.
Katsu sandwiches, that sounds so good. Can you make like chicken one or like pork tonkatsu?
We both have our bowls raised.
I'm trying to get all the little stuff.
Me too. Pork katsu.
Sounds so good. Okay.
It's time for seconds. Man, if only I could.
I don't think I can.
But I can't.
Oh, good.
It's really good. I don't know what Penna adds. Like, there's a flavor that it's like missing. It's still really good, obviously.
I think we need more onions.
we
Like,
could
actually.
we could put in more onions.
I'm getting all the pork at the bottom. It's so good.
Yeah.
I just had a chickpea salad for lunch, so this is like so good in comparison.
Chickpea salad.
Not even meat. Yes, here was eating. Because the mics are right here. Could also be different bean sauce.
Good point.
That's true, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a judgment base. It's crazy though, because my friend has seen him just shopping at H Mart for his ingredients.
Crazy.
So it was just normal.
So good. Bean sauce.
Alright, what should we do today for the kimchi?